Hi, I'm Katie with WTI, and this is my cooking companion, Nessie. I love Nessie. It is so whimsical and cute and actually functional. This is the small Ladle by OTOTO. I love the company. They have the cutest products, and I love Nessie because she can sit on the counter when not in use. So that way you're not laying it down and it's rolling away somewhere. But then she can also sit in your soup pot or your punch bowl, and she looks like she is coming up to visit you and see what's going on, but also not flipping down and drifting away in the punch. Then you got to put your fingers in the bowl. No one wants that. I love this teal blue color, and every time I cook with Nessie, it just puts a smile on my face. Just a little more joy in the kitchen, which everyone needs that. So if you're looking for a fun new soup ladle, then maybe think about adding Nessie to your family. And that's my point of view.